Hey guys, so how many of you started out with a course that left you asking questions? I have personally talked to 3 or 4 people today, and they get shown this much, and they're like, okay, you're on your own. I had someone say, so I guess I'm supposed to figure this out by myself. No, you're not. If you bought blueprints, you should have step-by-step help. Unfortunately, not everybody provides that. I am lucky to have step-by-step help, one-on-one mentorship. I can schedule a call, a Zoom call, a chat. I can do whatever with my mentor, one-on-one. That's included in my blueprints. Learning how to set up my autoresponder was included with my blueprints. I wasn't told, hey, here's how you go and you get your Aweber account and then figure it out on your own. What? Who does that? I mean, I know who does that, but why? Why would you do that? So guys, if you're seriously having a problem and you started with another program and now you're sitting here going, what in the heck do I do? Please reach out to me. If I can help you in any way, I will. You should have the help and the support that you need. I have it in my group. I mean, I could ask a question at any point in time, even if it's at 2 o'clock in the morning, I'm going to get an answer from somebody. And I just can't fathom how someone could be so abrasive to say, hey, yes, I will help you get started with your business. And then crickets. So guys, again, if you're struggling, just please reach out to me. Let me see if I can help you. If not, I can point you in the right direction, because you should not have to go through building your business by yourself when you could have a business in a box, basically. That's what you thought you paid for, but you didn't get it. That's what I paid for, and that's what I got. So save this, because you're going to want to come back whenever you have a question and you're not getting answers somewhere else.